I've been using this MSI MAG 32-inch OLED monitor, and honestly, the display quality is the first thing that impressed me. The combination of 4K resolution, QD-OLED, and 240Hz makes gaming look and feel seriously premium. If you're planning to buy this monitor, check the Best Buy product I've tagged below before ordering. You can find the cheapest price and available discount coupon there. So it's worth checking the tag product for the best deal. The 32-inch size is perfect for me because 4K content looks really sharp without feeling cramped. The OLED panel is probably my favorite part. Blacks actually look black, colors have plenty of punch, and games have a lot more depth compared to a regular LCD monitor. Gaming at 240Hz also feels incredibly smooth. Obviously, you need a powerful enough PC to take advantage of 240Hz at 4K, but when you can push those frame rates, the difference in responsiveness is noticeable. The extremely fast response time also makes fast movement look clean. HDR is another highlight. Bright areas in games really stand out, while the dark areas stay deep, which makes the overall image much more immersive. I also like that the colors don't look dull or washed out. The monitor has HDMI and DisplayPort connectivity, and it also works nicely for console gaming. The build quality feels premium, and the stand gives you plenty of adjustment options, so getting a comfortable viewing position was easy. One thing I would consider before buying is that OLED does require a little more care than a normal LCD if you're worried about static images and burn-in. Thankfully, MSI includes OLED care features, which is reassuring for long-term use. After actually spending time with it, I think this is one of those monitors where the experience matters more than just looking at the specifications. The 4K OLED picture quality, smooth 240Hz gaming, and HDR together make it a very impressive all-round gaming monitor.